Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sir Mio's Garden. Sir Mio Vlogs is here. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Once again, this is Sir Mio Vlogs. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're fine, safe, and healthy. Welcome to my mini paradise, my mini garden. This is Sir Mio's Garden. And for today's vlog, it's another plant video update. And the one that I will be featuring, discussing, and sharing with you is this one of those popular variety type kind of Croton plant. This is called the garden Croton plant. What I do really love about this plant is that its foliage. If I try to match this plant with the rest of those common green plants, this plant, garden Croton, is stunning, exotic, and rare. For me, I consider this as one of those garden Croton plants that are variegated. Why is it variegated? Because based on what you are seeing right now, so the foliage stay close more of its one of its leaves. So in here guys, so napakaganda ng kanyang foliage talaga. Wala akong masabi kasi it's combination. So kapag young pa po yung pinaka dahon niya is nag-range lamang po siya sa yellow and other combinations of green. And kapag nag-mature na po guys, ito na po yung pinaka-color niya. Para po siyang zebra plant, right? Ayan po. Napakaganda ng stunning foliage niya. Doon sa pinakagitna is meron po siyang mid-vein na yellow. Then doon po sa pinaka apex and sa edge ng kanyang dahon is combination siya ng dark green, lime green. So napakaganda guys talaga, promise. You'll never regret having this plant next year because based on what I read and researched, this is one of those exotic, stunning, lucky, best plant because this plant is easy to propagate, easy to care for, and minimal caring is required for this plant. And also for one of its light requirements, so you are not advised to place this in full sun or direct sun because there's a possibility that your plant will wither. They will have staple leaves, and worst scenario is they will have scorched leaves. Then later on it will lead to dark or brown edges, which we don't want to happen with our garden Croton plant. So observe guys that I place this in east portion of my garden because east portion represents and symbolizes prosperity, abundance, wealth, rebirth, and hope. Doon po kasi sumisikat ang araw, and proven and tested na kapag nilagay po natin siya doon sa pinaka east portion, because east portion is one of the healthiest, wealthiest areas in the Bagua map. So wag po tayo magpapalagay ng or maglalagay ng mga halaman doon sa kanluran or west portion because it's not good thing to place plants there because that is symbolizing not so good opportunities. Disclaimer lamang guys, lahat po ng sinasabi ko, lahat po ng feng shui plants, house plants, is pawang mga gabay lamang po. If we want to be successful, prosperous, abundant, and successful in life, we have to really work hard for it. Sasamahan po natin ang sipag at syaga. Kung may gusto po tayo na bagay na makamit sa buhay is magsisipag, magbabanat po tayo ng buto. Sinasabi nga nila na nasa Diyos ang awa at nasa tao ang gawa, and that is one of those sayings na talagang nagbigay sa akin ng motivation and inspiration to do better every day. Ayan siya guys. So let's go with the water requirement. So do not overwater your garden Croton plant because the more you overwater your plant, so there is a possibility tendency na magkaroon po ng root rotting. So root rotting is one of the causes kung bakit po namamatay ang ibang mga halaman and nalulunod po sila. So kapag nagkaroon ng root rot, worst scenario is pwede pong mamatay ang pinaka halaman natin. So it's advisable that when we think that the topsoil is dry 1 to 2 inches, do a misting. Misting is done by spraying water by means of bottled spray container, guys. So we are not directly do the watering kasi we'll never know, guys, kung sa pinakababa is talagang moist pa ba. So we only suggested that misting is done when you think that the top soil is 2 to 3 inches dry. Other thing, guys, is if you want to know that if the soil is moist below, we have to make use of barbecue stick. Kindly insert the barbecue stick doon sa pinakalupa, then gently pull it. Then kapag nakita nyo na may mga soil na sumama doon sa pinaka stick, no need for you to directly water the plant. Instead, do the misting. Then kapag naman po may mga soils na hindi sumama dun sa pinaka barbecue stick, that's the best time for us to do the direct watering. Then let's go with the fertilizer requirements. So Sir Mio Vlogs is fertilizing all of his lock-in feng shui plants every month. So what is my mixture? So kapag kakain po tayo ng saging is wag po nating tatapon yung pinakabalat. And bili rin po tayo ng cinnamon powder. So paghaluin po natin yung mixture ng banana peel, cinnamon powder, and 1 or pinch of salt sa pinaka-blender. Then i-blend po natin siya. Then after we blended the mixture, directly put that on top of the soil. Other possible way for us to fertilize is, so guys, if mag-omelette po tayo, if you want to cook omelette, instead of throwing those eggshells, why not grind or pound it, and the powderized eggshells are placed or put on top of the soil, because eggshells are rich in calcium that is one of the aids for us to have a lush, bush, healthy, and stunning foliage of our garden croton plant. So it's already proven and tested by Sir Mio that if we try to put calcium materials on the soil, that will help us to have more healthy and vibrant, stunning plant like this. So let's go with the light requirement. So we are placing this garden croton plant in filtered sunlight. We are not placing this in full sun. Just like what I told you earlier, that is one of the causes why we have scorched, brown, or dark leaves. For the temperature requirement, it is best to have temperature for our garden croton plant ranging from 41 degrees to 48 degrees. So if that goes beyond that said temperature, pwede pong mamatay ang ating halaman. Kasi sa sobrang init ng panahon, guys, dapat po is we are monitoring, checking the temperature of our plant, especially the temperature of its soil. So it's also advisable for us to use alkaline water for us to water to our plants. I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for continued love and support. I hope you've learned something relevant, beneficial, especially if you are a plant lover. We are checking, monitoring that our plants are looking healthy every day. Because plants, it's already proven and tested that adds to our happiness, joy. They help us to be more energetic, inspired, and motivated to do life every day. Until next time, God bless us all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Ciao, ciao. Still continue praying for those people who need love, prayer, and support. God bless us all.